Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really good. Today is day 2 of Vlogmas 2018. Today I'm going to show you 5 top favorite lipsticks of mine under 600 rupees. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to talk about the products which are costing less and then probably going to 600 bucks. The first lipstick I have here is this Lakme Crayon. So this is in the color peach. You get in red shade, you can get in different shades, and this is for 180 rupees. And for now, Nykaa has a sale going on. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, and Nykaa has a sale going on. It is retailing for 165 rupees. So yeah, this is super creamy. The pigmentation is super nice. I'm just going to show you right now. The pigmentation is super nice and it's kind of creamy, consistent, and it is matte. So if you're somebody who's looking for a lipstick, a kind of a cheaper version, but you want that pigmentation also to stay, then you should definitely go for this one. The next product I have here is also from Lakme. This is Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse. This is in the shade. This is basically lip and cheek tint. I have two shades. I have one is Blushed Velvet. This is the shade. I really love the pigmentation and it's kind of a nude. The other shade I have is a Plum Feather. It goes super bright like that, so it's good. This doesn't really dry out your lips, and it's super soft on your lips. This has super creamy texture, and to be honest, this feels like velvet on your lips, so I really love it. My Weightless Mousse is generally for 600, but the sale is going on in Nykaa and you're getting it for 480 rupees. When I'm talking about any favorites video, Maybelline is the one. It should be in the list for sure. Any kind of a product from Maybelline. Speak of the devil, now we have the third product, which is my favorite. This is the lip gradation from Maybelline. I have the shade Coral. This has super nice texture. It is again some kind of powdery finish. It is this peach. I love the finish. I mean, you gotta use this tip to put on, and then there is any blender over here with what we can just smudge and get that blur effect on your lips. So this is amazing, and this one retails for 500. Next one on my list is this Nykaa lipsticks. They are in different shades, in different nice shades named by the states in India, and they are super pigmented. I'm just gonna show you one. This is one of my favorite nudes, and it's a liquid lipstick. Look at that shade. Look at that shade. This is the shade Bombay. I'm currently wearing it right now. It suits me well. It's so good. I'm actually wearing it on my lips, also on my cheeks, if you can see. And this one retails for 599. Christmas time, and red is the color which should be there in everybody's beauty bag. Red lipsticks are great and they're super retro and vintage. And for Christmas, definitely red lipstick is something that I really would look forward to. So the next one I have is a red lipstick from Maybelline. It's Super Stay Matting collection. So this red is super bright. To be honest, I love the shade and the pigmentation. The pigmentation is so nice. I'm just gonna show you the swatch. I'm just gonna take a bite. Like, look at that. Like, look at that shade. It suits me really well. Generally, red doesn't suit me well. I look a little tired. I look more dusky than I am using red, and the complexion that completely messes up because of wearing red. And this one actually brights, makes my complexion more bright and radiant. So definitely yes, I love all the colors in this one, and you can actually use this as a cheek tint as well, and this stays for a long time. You eat on it, you drink and do whatever you want. It's just not gonna go. You should use a oil base or water base makeup remover just to remove it. So yeah, that stubborn is this one, and this one is actually little more than 600 budget we have, and this is for 625 rupees. 25 rupees doesn't really do any kind of a difference. So yeah, this comes under my favorite list. So we are done with all the 5 top favorites of mine under 600 budget. So that is it for the video, you guys. I hope you like it. If you did, like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And let me know your favorites in the comment section below. I'll definitely check it out. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely